Good morning guys! Breakfast na tayo. Yung mag-aama ko na una na sa akin. Morning! Yan sila. Hi Papa! Here's your... Huh? Pray first. Amen.
What order they want?
This is yours, mate.
First, is this sweet?
Yeah.
I'll carry that for you. I can get you more.
Or this one?
This is alright. You can use that.
Or this one?
You want drink?
Just white. There you go.
Baba, here Baba, all your eggs. Yeah. So, ito yung breakfast ko for today. Fried rice, Balinesian sausage, omelette, poached egg, bacon, and chili. Kain. You're full? Then, are you done, huh? Done? Yeah. Do you want? I'll get you watermelon. Do you want fruits, Kuya?
Okay.
You want? What do you want? Like what? You want watermelon? What? Pineapple. Oh, you want sausage? Ah, Baba. Here, Kuya. Give me your fork. It's gonna be oily, Kuya. Not go to Daddy. What?
Ready?
Just one.
Go with food.
What's that? Are you going? Let's go. We're going now, see Joe. Go see Joe. she's alright, kuya. Balik ako dito sa kwarto kasi kukunin natin yung pram ni Holly. Tapos punta kami sa may magwo-walk kami sa may along the beach. Yun. Yung kahapon, kung saan kami kahapon ulit. So, kasi ngayong week, siguro dito lang muna kami. Next week na siguro kami mag-explore. So, para relax lang muna kami dito. Para hindi stress ba. So, yun. So far, so good. Enjoy na enjoy kami. Lahat. Pati yung kasama namin. Dito na ako. Ayan sila. Tapos, eto. Sa Bali Garden pa yan dyan. Dito kayo magdi-dinner. Kaso, palagi silang book eh. Ito yung restaurant ng Bali Garden kung saan kami nakastay. Ang ganda rin dito sa front. Or, eto yung sinasabi ko sa inyong infinity pool. Ayan, oh. Ayan, yung swimming pool. Tapos, ayan, yung mga papayong. So, hindi pa kayo dito nakakapag-try mag-swimming. Siguro one day. Maganda rin dito. Tapos, ayan yung gazebo. Ang presko. Si Kuyang nasa pram, si Ol ang naglalakad. Oh, yung pa-off shoulder mo, love.
I'll do it, Baba.
Hi, what are you doing, Holly? Hi. Come and walk in here. Good girl.
Back.
Sa, come here. Hold mommy's hand, please. No? Please hold mommy's hand. Ayaw niya akong hawakan. Hoy, hurry up. Huh? Did you? Takot siya sa motor, kaya humahawak siya sa akin kasi maraming motor talaga dito. Ah, Han. This is the one I heard this morning, I think. Kanina umaga may naririnig ako parang kumakanta. Tapos nagsisigawan. Ayan, oh, may ano sila. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron ngayon dito. Ayan, oh. Yan yung nakita natin kahapon na may tent. Naghahanap kami ng fidget spinner for sa kasi si Kobe mayroon nabili kahapon. So ngayon, gusto niya rin. So wala pa masyadong tao dito sa may mga tinda-tindahan. Sarado pa yung iba. Magbubukas pa lang. Is it 8 o'clock, ha? You think it's 8 o'clock?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 8 o'clock. Yeah, 8 o'clock. Kaso wala pa. Sarado pa. Where did he get it
I don't
from?
know.
Where's Kylie, hon?
Oh, that one's down here, then down there. Willow probably.
Down here?
Should. No, watch out.
Yung motor guy?
Willow should be down there.
Yung kaibigan nilang na isang pamilya din, kararating lang kagabi, mga 10 o'clock kagabi. So, imimit namin sila baka mamaya. So, kami lang ngayon, wala sila Joe kasi may pinuntahan din ata sila. Or baby na, una na sila dun sa may beach kung saan kami nagtatambay lagi. Dad, it's alright, Kuya. You're on the other side. It's not gonna hit you. Here, honey, oh, fidget spinner here.
Oh, you have
Yeah. Do you have what? Ayan yung gusto nila. Spider-Man, Kuya. Ay, sako. Spider.
This one. Spider.
How much is it?
This one? How many?
How much?
250.
Oh, that's too expensive.
Oh, this metal, not plastic. Maybe.
No. This is good, Zach.
The hill chose.
Okay, choose what you want. You want the Spider-Man?
Which one, boy? Captain America.
80. We get two.
Huh?
80. 80. Each. We got two.
Ay, come on.
Yeah.
Check boy.
Tinatry namin na tawaran. Oh!
I'll give you like
Tingnan.
this ba? I'll give you 400 for two.
Ah, no.
For two.
No, honey.
Ano, boy?
We can find somewhere. 400, 200 each, no. 80 because no, my friend just got one yesterday. Okay. Yeah, the same skull. Come on. Hindi na ko kasi 200. What? No, 80. 300. 250. 250 for two. 250 for two. Come here. 350. 200,000 each.
He said 50,000, didn't he?
350. He wants 350.
Now back.
How much?
250.
250?
Here you go.
We'll get it?
Yeah.
Okay na. Tinawag kami ka. Kasi magdrama ka lang dito na kunwari alis ka na. Kasi susundan ka nila. Ha? Susundan ka nila. Tapos tatawagin ka nila. Tapos mag-ano ulit kayo. Magdi-debate ulit kayo sa presyo. Hanggat makuha mo yung mas mababa. Let me see. Here, let me see. Is it the new one?
Yes.
Try it first, Sak.
Try first, try.
Try first, Baba. Try first. You want Captain America, Kuya?
Oh, this ball is for you.
Huh.
Try.
Try, Sak. You like that?
Are your hands big enough?
Is it big enough for your hands
Yeah.
to hold it? Is it heavy? Kuya, let me see yours.
What is it? 250.
250. Okay. Okay, good. You like it? Put in the bag.
Yes, yes.
Hano, get money. Huh? No, there's a case, honey.
This one?
Yeah, put the, no. Put the case, yeah. No. Where's the case for that one?
Yeah.
Here, I'll put it there. Do you have like that? Just the black one? That's too big.
This not sell this one.
Oh, metal lang. Okay. You like what you gonna say? You're welcome. Baba.
What is it? 250?
50. Yeah.
250,000.
Dito na kami guys sa may beachfront. Ayan. Dito kayo tumatambay every morning. Go, Baba! Guys, nandito na yung yung bagong dating na kaibigan nila dyan. Ayan. Ayan. And nandyan yung asawa niya sa umaga. So yeah, dito muna kayo magtatambay. Every morning, dito tayo nagtatambay after breakfast. Which is good kasi madami akong kumain pag breakfast. Then, mahaba tong, yes, Baba, mahaba yung lakaran. So, nataktak na yung mga kinain namin. Right, Holly? What's that, Baba? Naka-off shoulder yan, oh. Yung lagi yan, oh, tatas niya naman. Ayaw niya. Ayaw niyang off shoulder. Baba, put it down. It's the off shoulder, Baba.
I need it back. I really need it back.
Hi, so, say good morning, guys.
Good morning.
So, yan ang laruan nila dito. Ang sarap ng ng hangin tsaka ang tunog ng dagat. Yan, ganyan lang sila every morning. Ayan yung bagong dating na friend nila. Kuya. Hi, Max! Ang lakas ng alon, oh. Mamaya marami na naman magsusurf dito. Tingnan nyo. Hindi pa masyadong matao, ha. Tingnan nyo. Wala pa masyadong tao. Mamaya niyan, punong-puno na naman to. What time did you get in last night? Oh, Holly, here. Si Sak, do you want to touch the water? You can't because the wave may take you. Holly, stay here. Kuya, run! pahabol sa alon na hindi sila maabutan. Ang lakas ng alon. O nakakaano. What you're having? Tapos na sila mag-ice cream si Sak at si PJ. Mauubos niya na yung ano niya, oh. Ice cream niya. Oh, other side, Papa. Oops, you gotta fall.
Yeah.
Yummy. Wipe your face. Here.
I don't know what the price of it is.
Wipe your face.
Expensive. I think when you do the
Wipe your
wakeboarding,
face.
you pay
Say
for
thank
the
you.
hour. And it's on those.
Yeah, good girl. Thanks, Ive.
Those rooms along.
It's alright.
Yeah.
Ay, ikaw ha? You go sleep na. You're not going anywhere. Oh, can you wipe yourself, please? You do it yourself, please. Thank
You
you.
can play, but do not dig near people.
I want some. No, you're not having. You already had yours.
You want to have another one of those? So do you have one more?
Mag-ice cream lang. Ano? Pag may kasalanan siya, ganyan sa akin. Gusto niyang
I'll
humalit.
take that.
Yeah?
That will keep them in.
Where you going? Dito kami ngayon sa kabilang resorts kung saan nagstay yung kaibigan namin. Dito magsiswimming yung mga bata dyan. Oh. Hinihintay lang namin kasi nag-change ng pang-swimming yung mga bata. Ayan si Holly. Holly, say hi. Bye-bye. Hi.
Oh no.
Oh no. Nawawala si Saksaki. Ah. Yeah, ready na sila.
Come here.
Okay.
Put your hat in there, mate.
Put your hat there, Baba.
What's that? Throw.
Wow.
Catch.
Ayan, ready na sila. Come on, Holly. Change now. Hi guys! Bumalik ulit ako dito sa kwarto kasi naiwan ko yung swimsuit ni Holly nung kinuha ko yung mga panligo ng boys. And, ayan, binigyan ko siya ng gatas, binihisan ko kaso nakatulog siya. So, sabi ko, i-quick haul ko na lang yung mga pinamili ko sa Melbourne na mga swimsuit niya. Sa Quicksilver siyang store, pero yung brand ng mga swimsuit ni Holly ay, tawag ng Roxy. Roxy siya. So, yung una, 5 yung nabili ko sa kanya. Yung unang nabili ko sa kanya, eto, 1 piece. 70% lahat to guys. So, mura siyang nakuha ko. $49.99, then 70% off siya. Tapos yung next is, may dalawang kulay dito, pero iba-ibang design. So, eto yung isa. Eto yung sa baba. May pa-bow siya dito. Tapos yung niya, mayroong stripe na bow sa gilid. And then, eto naman is yung top. Ayan. Tapos yung likod niya may bow. Ayan. Then, adjustable yung strap. Nabili ko siya for $49.99. Pero 70%, so $18 lang siya. Original price pala, I mean. Original price is $49.99. 70% off. So, $18 lang yata siya. Tapos, eto yung favorite ko sa lahat. Eto yung sa baba. Ganyan lang siya. Very simple lang yung baba. Ayan. Size to lahat to guys na nabili ko sa kanya. And, eto yung yung pabra. Patupis ni Holly. Kinabog yung mga swimsuit ko ni Holly. So, ayan. Tapos, ayan, tali lang siya sa likod. Ang cute, diba? Oh, Jezebel na Jezebel lang. Nabili ko siya for $59.99. Ay, nabili ko siya. Original price niya is $59.99. So, siguro $18 din yan. And then, ito yung may kaparehong kulay. Ito. Pero iba yung design niya. Ito yung sa baba. Tapos may pa-stripe siya sa gilid na, ayan. So, ganyan lang. Tapos may lagay dyan na logo ng Roxy. And then, eto yung top. Mahaba to. Ayan. Ayun yung sandali. So, ayan yung sa harap niya. May bow sa harap na ganyan. Tapos yung sa likod niya, mga stripe na. And sa harap is tropical print. Tapos, eto din. Ang cute. Kapareho din ang kulay nito. Print nito. Pero ibang design. Eto yung sa baba. Ayan. May siya, cactus. And ewan ko kung anong animal siya, yan. So, eto siya. Tapos may ruffle dito sa pagilid ng niya, underwear. Ayan. And then, yung top niya, wala siyang print ng cactus tsaka animal. Stripe lang siya. Ayan. Ganyan. Tapos yung likod niya, ganyan. Adjustable siya, guys. So, ayan. Nabili ko siya for, paano ko siya, magkano ko siya? Original price niya is $59.99. Then 70%, $18. Basta siguro nabili ko to less than $100. Siguro $89 lang to. Or 90. Kasi dyan, may nabili rin siya sa boys. Yung jumper iniwan namin sa car. Yung jacket ng dalawang bata. And then, yung tongs, suit nila. So, si dyan, may nabili rin siyang t-shirt niya. Ito siya. Quicksilver. $46.99 original price. Siguro 70% din to, hindi ko alam. Tapos, ito yung isa. Dalawang t-shirt ang nabili niya. Ito yung black. So, yeah, $46.99. Siguro 70% din siya. So, yun guys. That's it for the quick haul. And, ipakita ko na rin sa inyo yung OOTD ko today. So, ayan. Ganyan siya. Crop top siya na may patali dito. Then, high waist na short. Hindi nyo makita yung short. Tayo dito. Ganyan siya. Tapos yung likod niya, baba tayo. Tapos yung likod niya, ganyan lang. So yun guys, hintayin ko lang si Holly or gisingin ko si Holly para mag-swimming din siya. So yun guys, bye! Yeah, si Zach. Adventurous to si Zach eh. Tingnan nyo ha. Well done, Zach! Kuya, how about TJ? See? You have to try. Zach didn't know.
Okay.
Si TJ medyo ano siya eh, takot. Tignan mo si Zach. Wow, Zach!
Types, go and tell Sophie. Max woke up 2 o'clock. Go back to bed. It's too early.
Ayan. Hindi pa ako nagsiswimming since na dumating kami dito sa Bali. Wala lang. Hindi naman ako takot sa sa araw. Sila lang muna pinapa-enjoy para ma-capture ko yung mga moments nila daddy nila and nila kuya. Ayan. Marami pa, may pa kami, 2 weeks and a half pa kami dito eh. So, marami pang time to go swimming. Yay! Yay! Baba! Hoy! Baba! Hi! Kick, 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 kick! Baba!
Did we order lunch?
We're gonna have lunch.
We're gonna have a lunch in a minute.
Dora.
You look like Dora. Daddy said you look like Dora, kuya.
Oh, I got it today.
Hey, what's wrong, Baba? Huh? Nothing? You're cold? Did you like your flipping? Did you like your flip? You don't like the flip that Dad did to you? Oh, you don't like it? You like it? You're cool. Kuya TJ can do that. Ayan, tapos na mag-swimming sila sa ngayon kasi magla-lunch muna kami. Is it local restaurant? Yeah. So dito kami sa my Cafe Tree House. Dito kayo magla-lunch. Ayan. Local restaurant daw. Ayan siya. Simple lang. Para kung sa atin, turo-turo lang siya. Oh. Pero sabi niya, masarap. Kasi lagi sila nandito sa Bali. 7 times na sila dito eh. So, ayan. Nihintay ko lang yung mga bata at saka si John. What happened to Zach? What's wrong, Zach? Ayan, dumadami kami araw-araw. Marami nang nag-aalaga kay Holly, oh. Nagawan siya. Kanina na kay Ivy ngayon. Okay, wait, Baba. I help you. Put your legs, Baba. Okay. Opo, ika. Opo. Daddy, she don't want to, Daddy. Opo. Friends ni Holly. What's your name? Addison and Ivy. And Holly. Guys, tingnan nyo to. Nasi goreng ayam. Fried rice chicken served with crackers, fried eggs on top. Sabi ko sa mga kasama ko na yung ayam sa atin is a dog. Yes, yes. Carbonara. That's carbonara, kuya. Is that what you want? Carbonara?
having a small or big one, right?
Pasta with
Yeah, white sauce. That's what you call carbonara. Okay? Gusto niya raw white sauce na spaghetti.
What do you want to drink?
So carbonara. How about you, Zach? What do you want? Chocolate. You want carbonara same as Kuya TJ? You want the same as Kuya?
one large pudding.
Zach, can I have a try? Masarap? Kuya? Aisa? Can I have a try?
Yeah, let me show you what, man.
Oh, money first.
Sit down, Bubsy. Sit.
You drink sweet.
It's good, isn't it? It's not too sweet. Well done, Zach.
What's that cake?
It looks like Papa. Can I try him? I know. Good? Is it the same as Papa? No? Which one's better? Papa? Papa.
Should have just had mango.
Mango. Ah, because they have some. Ah, yeah.
No?
She likes watching.
That's all right.
Yeah.
I tell you, I like it black.
May yogurt kasi to. Wow, is it yummy? Mix. Kasi-
Good idea. Tie your hair up so hard because you're going to get too. Yeah.
She's dancing.
Ben's mum lives on it when we drink.
Masarap siya. Hindi siya masyadong matamis. Tama-tama lang. First time ko mag-try ng avocado milkshake. Ayan na, Zach. Ayun kay Kuya din, carbonara. You have to mix first, Baba. Use your fork, Baba. How is it? Is it good? Okay. We're gonna ask a little. Good, Kuya? Hi, Max. I can see you.
Yeah, it was funny. We come here and then.
Ayaw ni Sak mag-share ng carbonara kasi nasasarapan siya. Huminga ako ng konti, pinagalitan ako. Kunin ko daw yung kay TJ. What you gonna say? Thank you. Pray first. Pray. Pray first, Baba. Oh, you pray first.
Oh, that is.
Holly, you pray?
Nasi goreng seafood.
Yes, thank you. Ito yung food ko, guys.
Got a lot of lunch for
Nasi goreng seafood. Nagpalagay ako ng extra chili kasi ang sarap pag manghang. Ayan. Kain. Yan yung sandwich nyo dyan. Yes! Humingi ako ng extra chili kasi kulang. Sarap. You got lots of friends though, Baba. Yeah. Kitchy, ticklish. Si Holly lang ang black ang hair, oh. Oh, that's sweet, Max. That's Max. Ah! Chico! No.
Have you got a water bag?
Isa pa. Saan?
It didn't remember
Yan,
that.
okay.